Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, we will have 5 questions from the latest paper of NTA UGC net. So we are given 5 questions and these questions are from data interpretation section and we will solve them. So here we have our first question. So all these 5 questions are from the same data, right? Based on the data in the table, we are given questions and we'll have to solve them. So if we read, following table shows the percentage of colleges offering the 4 IT courses on Python, Java, Multimedia and AI in 4 Indian states A to D. So we are given 4 Indian states A, B, C, D, and for every state we are given the percentage of colleges offering the course Python, Java, Multimedia, AI. So we are given the percentage, like here 86% of colleges in state A are offering Python course, 84% in state C are offering multimedia courses. So the for AI state D 70% is there. So like this we are given a data of colleges offering different courses, their percentage in every state. Then also we are given here percentage distribution of number of colleges. The table also presents the percentage wise distribution of the number of colleges in the 4 states. Total number of colleges in the 4 states is 4,000. So we are here given 4,000 total number of states. So these 4,000s are distributed like 35% are in state A, 15% of this 4,000 is in state B, 20% of this 4,000 is in state C, and 30% of this 4,000 is in state D. So this is the data, and the question is, if M and N represent the total number of colleges offering Python and Java respectively in all the 4 states, then M minus N is. So we are told that M is the total number of colleges offering Python and N is the total number of colleges offering Java. We have to find out M minus N. For that, first of all, we need to have the numbers. We are only having the percentages. So we will convert these percentages into numbers for Python and Java. This. So we are said that for state A, there's 86% of colleges of state they are offering Python. So total number of colleges in state A, we will have to find out from this distribution. So we have total number of colleges 4,000 as given in the question. From there, we have state A where there's 35% of colleges. So 35% of this 4,000, that is 35 divide by 100 into 4,000. So we can cancel the two zeros. 100 divided by 100 goes 1 and 1 into anything is the same number. So two zeros cancelled. We are left with 35 into 40. That becomes 1400. 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 of 20 becomes 1400. Similarly, for state B, we are given that there's 15% of colleges of total numbers that are in B, state B. So 15% of total number, which is 4,000. So 15% of 4,000. Again, we can cancel two zeros and 15 into 40 is 600. Right? 0 comes here, 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 of 20. For C, state C, we are given 20%. So 20% of 4,000, cancelling two zeros, we are left with 20 into 40, which is 800. And then for state D, we are given 30%. So 30% of 4,000, again two zeros cancelled, and 30 into 40 is equal to 1200. Right? So this way we get the number of colleges in every state. 1400 in state A, 600 in state B, 800 in state D, C, and 1200 in state D. This data. Now M and N as given is M is the total number of colleges offering Python and N is the total number of colleges offering Java. So M in state A, that Colleges offering Python in state A plus state B plus state C plus state D will become M, and colleges offering Java in state A, state B, state C, state D will become N. So MA we will find out easily now. We have 1400. Total number of colleges in state A is 1400, right? And total number of colleges offering Python in state A is 8600. So 8600, sorry, 86%. 86% of 1400, 86 into 1400 divided by 100. Again the same rule, right? X percentage of something, then x upon 100. We will have to multiply it with that something, right? So this is the rule. So we have 86 into 1400 divided by 100, two zeros cancelled. 86 into 14 we can calculate, that will come out 1204. So this is the number of colleges offering Python in state A is 1204. In state B we are given the percentage, that is 80%, and total number of colleges in state B is 600. So 80% of 600 is the Python colleges. So 80 into 600 divided by 100, again 00 cancelled, and 80 into 6 is 480. For state C we have 74%. 74% of colleges in C state are 800, right? So 74%, 74 upon 100 of 800. So 00 cancelled, and we are left with 74 into 8, that becomes 592. For state D similarly we have 68%, and total number of colleges in state D are 1200. 1200 into 68 divided by 100, we are left with 816. So these are the number of colleges offering Python in state A, B, C and D. So if we calculate all these 4, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 6, 6, 12, we are left with 1, 1. At the tens we have 0, 8, 8 and 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 1, the balance 19. We are again left with one balance. So at the tens position we have, at the 100 position we have 2 plus 8, 10, 19 and 2, 4, 6, 6, 5, 11, 11, 8, 19, and 1 was the balance, that is 20, with 2 balance 2 plus, at the 1000 position we only have 1, so 2 plus 1, 3092. So this is the total number of colleges offering Python is 3092. Now similarly we will calculate for Java. Java we have 74% in A, and total number of colleges in A is 1400. So we again 74 by 100 into 1400, 00 cancelled, and 74 into 14 we can multiply, it will be 1036. For state B we have 92%, 92%, and total number of colleges are 600. So 92% of 600 is 552. And for state C we have 88%, total number of colleges are 800. 88 into 800 divided by 100, it becomes 704. For state D we have 64%, and 64 into 1200 divided by 100, it becomes 768. So we again add these numbers. Total number of colleges offering Java 1036, 552, 704, 768. Unit positions 6, 2, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 8, 20. 2 balance. At the tens position we have 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 10, 0, 10, 6, 16. Again left with 1 balance. So at the 100 position we have 1 balance, 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. Again left with 2 balance, and 2 plus 1, at 1000 we only have one number, so 2 plus 1, 3. So 3060 is the sum of total number of colleges offering Java. So we in the question are asked m minus n. What is the figure for m minus n? So m is 3092 and n is 3060, and the balance is 32. After subtraction we get 32. So option 4 is the right answer for the question 32. Second question, we are asked number of colleges offering the Python course is more than 460. So we have already calculated this, the number of colleges offering Python from here. We have already calculated it, and the number given is, so we have just copy it here. If we copy this, so this data is copied here. So number of colleges offering Python course more than 460. So all are offering courses more than 460 colleges are offering in every state the Python course. A 1204, it is greater than 460, 480 is greater than 460, 592 is greater than 460, and 816 is greater than 460. So we have already calculated this in the previous question, the number of colleges offering Python for A, B, C, D. So it is a simple percentage question. So third question, total number of colleges offering AI in all the 4 states. So for AI, that is artificial intelligence, A state is 56% and total number of colleges in state A, as we already calculated, is 1400. So 56% of 1400 we will have to calculate, and similarly for B, that is 84% of 600, 86% of 800, and 70% of 1200. So 56 percentage of 1400. So we simply multiply 56 into 1400 and divide it by 100. So 0 cancelled and we are left with 56 into 14, which is 784. Similarly for 84% of 600, we are 0 are cancelled and we are left with 84 and 6, and we multiply for 86% of C, that is C state, we have 800 number of colleges. So 86 into 800 divided by 100, 0 cancelled, and we are left with 86 into 8. For D, that is 1200, 70% of 1200, 70 into 12 divided by 100, 1200 divided by 100. So 0 cancelled and we are left with 70 into 12. So we just multiply them and we get 784, 504, 688, 840. And after adding all of them, we get 2816, which is option number 2 is the right answer. Question number 3. Ratio of the number of colleges offering multimedia in state C to that of state D. So now we will have to calculate multimedia in state C and multimedia in state D, and then we will find out their ratios. So multimedia in state C we have 84% and state D we have 68%. Total number of colleges in C we already calculated is 800 and in D is 1200. So 84% of 800, 84% of 800, 0 cancelled, we are left with 84. So this goes like 84 into 800 divided by 100, 100, 0 cancelled, and 84 into 8 is 672. For multimedia we have 68% and total number of colleges in D is 1200, because we are asked ratio of number of colleges offering multimedia in state C to that of state D. Right, so multimedia in state D is 68% and total number of colleges are 1200, and we get 816 because 0 are cancelled and we are left with 68 into 12, and we can multiply it and we will get 816. Now for ratio, C ratio D, C is 672 and D is 816. So we will have to now further divide the number by 3. So we have 672, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 divided, we are left with one balance, add it to 2, it becomes 12, and 3 4s are 12. Simplifying 816 again by dividing by 3, we have 3 2s are 6, 2 are left, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So we can we can simply, a complex number, a big number, it can be broken down into a smaller number by dividing both the denominator and numerator by a same number. So here we are dividing the denominator and numerator both by 3, and we get 224 divided by 272. Now we can divide further because it's a big number and we are not having this in the option, so we divide it again, this time by 8. Let's try it by 8. So we have 8 to the 16, 6 is the balance, 16 6 22. So 6 add prefixed with 4, it becomes 64, and 8 8s are 64. For denominator as well, 8 3s are 24, 24, 3 is left, and 3 is prefixed with 2, we get 4. So 34, 8 4s are 32. So 28 34 can further be divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, add it with 4, prefixed here, so it is 17. So 14 ratio 17 is the answer, which is option number 3 is the right answer for the question. Now next question is total number of colleges offering Java in state B is dash percentage of the number of colleges offering AI in state C. So we will have to find out Java in state B and AI in state C. So with this we can find just by looking at the percentage. So Java in state B, Java in state B is 92%, and AI in state C is 86%, right? And total number of colleges in B and C, we have total number of colleges in B is 600 and in C is 800. So here we have 600 colleges in state B, that is 15% of 4000. So here we have 600 colleges, and here in state C we have 800 colleges, and 92% of this 600 is Java in state B. So 92% of 600, 0 cancelled, we just left with 92 into 6, it becomes 552. And AI in state C we have 86%, 86% of 800. So 800 divided by 100, 0 cancelled, 86 into 8 becomes 688. Now we will have to find out, now we have to find, what we have to find out is percentage, that Java in state B is dash percentage of the number of colleges offering AI in state C. So 552 is dash percentage of 688, we have to find out. So assuming this x, the percentage x percentage of 688 is 552. So this is the expression, this becomes the expression, and we will have to solve it mathematically now. So x percentage, x divided by 100 of number of colleges offering AI in state C, that is 688, is number of colleges offering Java in state B, which we have calculated is 552. This becomes the expression. So simply the things in denominator, we can move them to the other side of the other side, but this will become the numerator. So 688 x will be equal to 552 after moving the 100. Again we will move 688, this 68 will become the denominator and this 100 will become the numerator. So 552 into 100 divided by 688 in an equation. So this is a kind of equation, we can move things from left hand side to right hand side of equal to sign. Just we have to change the operation. If something is dividing here, it will multiply there on the other side. If something is multiplying here, this side, it will divide on the other side. So this goes for every equation. So 688 was multiplying here with x, this will on the other side go into the denominator and will divide the number, and 100 here was divided was in the denominator, and in this side it will go and multiply. It will become a it will be multiplied. Similarly, if there's plus or minus, sign of plus or minus, then that we can also move, but plus will become minus on the other side and minus will become the plus on other side. So this way we can move numbers from one side to another. So this we did, and we are left with 552 into 100 divided by 688. So after multiplying and dividing, we get 3450 divided by 43, and at the end it is 80.23. Roughly it's 80.23. So 552 into 100 divided by 688. So we can just first of all, let's have we will have to simplify it further. So we will pick a number by which we will divide the both sides, the uh, numerator and denominator. So we have 55200 divided by 688. This is the number. So you can go like 2 4 6. So this is, both the numbers are sum numbers, so these will be divided by any sum number, 4 2 4 6 8. This you can try for if both are divisible by a same number. So this way you can simplify it and it will become 80.23, because 43 cannot be further divided. So we are left no choice but to simplify it further. So we will first try 8, then 9, and the number has to be less than this number, and if it is the balance will be added to the next numbers, right? And if next number is very low to be divided, then we can add point and add 0 to that. This way you will have to find the answer, and the answer is 80.23, which is option number 2. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a great day.